In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out devices from your Telegram account quickly and safely. This is a really useful option if you've signed in on another phone, tablet, or computer and you want to make sure no one else still has access. It's also perfect if you've logged into Telegram on a shared device and forgot to sign out. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your phone or open Telegram desktop on your computer. One important thing to remember is that managing active devices is not available on Telegram web, so you'll need to use the mobile app or the desktop app for this process. Once Telegram is open, look for the menu icon in the top left corner. On some devices, this may look like 3 horizontal lines or a menu button. Tap or click that menu icon, then choose Settings from the list. Inside Settings, you'll see several account options. Now scroll and tap on Privacy and Security. This is the section where Telegram keeps your login and account protection tools. Under Privacy and Security, look for Active Sessions and open it. This area shows every device that is currently signed in to your Telegram account. You may see your phone, your computer, and any other connected sessions listed here. Take a moment to review the list carefully so you know which devices are active. If you want to remove just one device, you can usually terminate that specific session, but if your goal is to log out all other sessions, tap Terminate all other sessions. When you do this, Telegram will keep the current device logged in and all other devices will be signed out immediately. This is the easiest way to make sure your account stays active only on the device you're using right now. If prompted, confirm your choice to finish the process. After that, all other devices will be logged out of your Telegram account and only your current device will remain connected. This is a great security step if you think someone else may have had access, or if you simply want a clean reset of your logged-in devices. If you use Telegram often, it's a good habit to check your active sessions from time to time, so you always know where your account is signed in. And that's it. You now know how to log out devices from your Telegram account in just a few taps. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.